Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first whatnot show. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to create your first whatnot show. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. And if you want to go ahead and sign up for Whatnot as a Whatnot seller, go ahead and use my link down below. And once you sign up, you'll get a chance at $100 in match credit when you make your first sales. So in order to create your show, let's go ahead and log on to Whatnot. Click on the Seller Hub. Next, click on Schedule a Show. So from here, you're going to name your show. So let's call it Dollar Single Auctions. And then you're going to choose a time. So let's choose an hour from now. And then click on Done. And then you can add moderators. I normally don't do that. If you have a repeat show, maybe it repeats every week, you can do that. Now, I normally add a thumbnail. So you can click on Add a Thumbnail, click on Upload a Photo. And what we're going to do is that I have a particular thumbnail that I like using. So this is the thumbnail that I've created before. So just going to click on Choose. And now you want to click on Pokemon cards as the primary category. For the primary selling format, you're going to click on that and then click on singles, or if you're doing breaks or surprise sets. And then here, you're just going to do new releases, and we're going to select more tags. So maybe we can do dollar starts, and we'll also do, what's another tag? We can do some vintage just because we have some vintage cards. Or maybe you want to do modern. No, we'll do vintage. Then click on save. Now shipping settings are normally set, so I normally don't touch that. Primary language is English, and then click on schedule. Now, once you have your show scheduled, you need to go ahead and add a product. So in order to do that, you're going to click on shop on the bottom right hand corner, click on plus, click on temporary listing. And next we're going to choose a category. So let's choose trading card games, select Pokemon, and then condition. We're going to set it as new. And then for the title, we're just going to say single Pokemon card. And then for the starting bid, we're going to set it to $1. The time limit, we'll do 10 seconds. For the quantity, we're going to insert 250. And then for the shipping profile, you need to enter the weight of the cards, which is usually just 1 ounce per. And then sudden death means that the counter will go down to 1 no matter how many times people bid. And afterwards, you're just going to click on add listing. So after you add that temporary listing, I normally click on the 3 dots again, click on edit listing. And then from here, you want to click on photos and scan. So we're just going to upload a photo of a card. So here's a card. And then afterwards, in the description, I like to say card will be in near mint or LP condition unless otherwise stated. So people will see the description of this product below it when it's pinned to your profile. And then afterwards, just click on save changes. And then the last thing you want to go ahead and do is click on the thumbnail tag so that people actually see your list. And there you have it. Now we can go ahead and start our show. You can see that we have cards as the product. And that's a very simple way to start a Whatnot show. So if you guys want to go ahead and start selling on Whatnot, go ahead and check out my link down below in the description. You'll get a bonus when you match selling. And so with that, thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.